attempts by Rakibul Hassan. In the slot, Harsh Dubey misses it. And the long on fielder makes it. Coming back for the second run. Oh! No! A super over! Akbar Ali, what have you done? Just had to be sensible. Keep the ball in your hand. Take the bails off. Could have given a victory to Bangladesh. Nevertheless, going for the stumps, missing it. Extra run. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are going in for a super over. There you go, last ball, Yorker, right on the money. Running the first one hard. Nehal Vadera as well as Harsh Dubey. Coming back for the second one. Akbar Ali could have just kept the ball in his hand. He's sensible. Not having the presence of mind. Gifting the single. And we're going for a super over. Wow, what a game. Semi-final one. It's a blockbuster. Ripon Mondal, highest wicket taker of the competition. And just imagine his thought process in a super over, Mazauddin.
Yeah, he bowled 6 in the block hole in the 19th over. So he is somebody who's practiced that delivery quite a lot.
Here comes the first ball. Yorker straight away. Jitesh Sharma trying to be cute. Ripon Mondal, middle stump, bullseye.
Well bowled. That's Yorker number 7 in a row. That 19th over we were talking about, he bowled them 6 Yorkers, and what a delivery. Perfect. Can't be more perfect. Jitesh Sharma has to go back for a duck. 0 for 1. Yeah.
Ripon Mondal comes again. Yorker again, short extra cover, back pedals, and takes it. 2 in 2. Ripon Mondal, his good competition goes on. And India all out in the super over without score, without a single score.
The game you're frightened of losing is not worth winning.
Huge shot through the offside. Ashutosh Sharma, he had no choice. He had to go for a big one. But the length was good. Under pressure, takes it easy at extra cover.
But you have to give a lot of credit to this man on screen. Kept his cool. Oh, India A. Look dejected. This man. What a spell. What a bowling performance. Never easy bowling in those super overs.
If you had the game finishing in the 20 overs, commentary box, I can confirm, we had Suyash Sharma if India had won. As the man's a match not to be. And he's going to operate with a leg slip in place. Watch out for the googly Yasir Ali. 2 fielders outside circle is at deep mid wicket and long on. Googly straight away. Long on, fielder in place. And he takes it. Ramandeep Singh, he's about 10 to 15 feet in front of the boundary rope. And Yasir Ali, very first ball, probably picked up the googly, trying to tonk it over. He's been dismissed.
There's going to be a boundary check.
Picks up the googly, I thought, Yasir Ali. What was that necessary, Amaza? Just a single away. Going sideways when you're backpedaling. Good technique shown. Does he stay inside? Yeah, he does. He does.
He had that momentum where probably the TV umpire must have thought that he might have touched the skirting. But I have a feeling he was well in control.
This is totally fine. Ramandeep Singh had everything under control. And Rahul Asher, our third umpire, as we speak, just confirming to the umpires in the middle, and the dreaded finger goes out. Suyash Sharma, here he comes. Oh, down the leg side, and a wide being called. That was a googly, and thanks to the Evans, Akbar Ali, he got everything in this game. Suyash Sharma, I thought the pace was right, not the line, not the length.
Was there a stumping opportunity there?
Every generation announces itself. Tonight, this one spoke fluently. Akbar Ali, oh boy. In the end, it was the Indian bowler